Yes, good evening everyone. Welcome to Vanti Sessions. Friends, last May, abhi Sunday ko, this Sunday only, the last one. That means on 14th Jan, you guys are having test, yes? The syllabus was quadratic in sequence and series. Agree?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So, any doubt from any of the question in the test?
मैम analyze करा अभी
Sorry?
अभी एनालाइज नहीं करा.
Okay. So, if anyone is having any doubt from the test, then we can discuss. Otherwise, we can go ahead with the next chapter, statistics. Upcoming test will be on upcoming Sunday. That means 21st January, and syllabus will be statistics and sequence and series. Agree? Will it be okay for everyone? Great.
Yes, ma'am.
So, how many of you already done statistics at your part in your school level? Everyone already done, no? Because it's the end of Jan. What do you say? Okay. How many of you already know about the basics of statistics from class 10th? Basics. Anyone? Yes or no? So today's class will be based upon only basics from the statistics that you know very well before moving ahead with the statistics. So ready? So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is weightage? Dear students, 4 marks यानी कि in JEE when you will give in 2025 there it's a weightage having one question. So it means a very small chapter. If we are going to finish this chapter in 2 lectures, it means it's a very small chapter, right, everyone? It's a very small chapter, but that small chapters can give you 4 marks. So ready, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So let's get start, everyone. Everyone is there here only in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
okay. So very first thing today we will cover the measures of central tendency and relationship between mean, median, and mode. With what? Mean, median, and mode. Agree?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So when you look about in 2023, na, it was contained 24 papers, 30 questions per shift. So if you are going to practice, na, it will contain 720 questions total. Clear? What now in statistics, we are having 4 topics. First is basic introduction, then measures of central tendency, then relationship between mean, median, and mode, then measures of dispersion. So these three we will cover in the first lecture because these are the basics from class 10th only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then measures of dispersion will be covered in the next lecture. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
But till then, you can start solving or practicing like as we covered till relation between mean, median, mode. You can start practicing at your end. You can start revising sequence and series at your end. Right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is actually statistics? Statistics is all about studying the behavior of big data, big sheets, Excel sheets, and all. So in statistics, we have some parameters to decide. So for such parameter, we have two. One is central tendency, another one is dispersion. So today we are going to just move ahead with the central tendency, and that is having 3 options. One is mean, second one is median, and the third one, my dear friends, is mode. Is it clear to everyone? Right? So 3 measures of central tendency are there: mean, median, mode. Everyone is here with me.
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. So you can start writing on your notebook. Firstly, we will talk about the mean. So remember, when you're talking about the mean and you're having raw data just in numbers, like you're having the inputs 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. Let's say these 5 values are you're having, and you need to find mean of this. So what should be the formula? You will say, Gurmanak, add all these values and divide it by total number of values.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, Harini? So if I have normal raw data, So it means only items are there, no frequency is given to me. It means mean will be summation of xi, sum of all the items divided by total number of items. Like we are having 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this will be equals to 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 divided by 5. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So dear, when you are having frequency as well as items, suppose they give one item is having two count, two is having four count, five is having two count, seven is having one count, eight is having two count. So this means this is item and this is frequency. Clear? So in that case, you need to multiply item with their corresponding frequency. That means 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2 and so on. And divided by total frequency and means summation of Fi. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर किसी को लगे कि मुझे नहीं पता चला तो हिंदी में भी बता रही हूँ, जो बच्चे यहाँ पे ज्यादातर हिंदी वाले हैं, तो आपको करना क्या है, अगर आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ वैल्यूज दे रखी है बच्चों, सिर्फ और सिर्फ वैल्यूज दे रखी है, तो उनको ऐड करिए, डिवाइडेड बाय उनका नंबर कर दीजिए। अगर आपको आइटम भी दे रखी है, उसका काउंट भी दे रखा है कि 2 नंबर के आइटम एक बार है, 3 की 2 बार है, तो आप इनको आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करिए कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग, यानी कि 2 कितनी बार आई, एक बार, तो 2 इंटू एक प्लस 3 इंटू 2 प्लस 4 इंटू 2 प्लस 6 इंटू 4 डिवाइडेड बाय सारी की सारी फ्रीक्वेंसीज को जोड़ दीजिए। क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
सबको क्लियर है? थर्ड, देखिए आपके पास तीसरा मेथड आता है मीन निकालने का, आपको क्लास इंटरवल दिया होता है, राइट एवरीवन? क्लास इंटरवल इज गिवन टू यू, दैट मींस 0 to 10 two items are there, 10 to 20 two items are. So in that case, firstly you will calculate xi, and how to calculate xi? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2, that means 5, 10, 15, 25 बच्चों, yes or no? When class interval is given to you and you need to calculate xi, it means lower plus upper limit by 2. क्या कहते हो?
Yes, ma'am.
Right everyone? So next formula will remain same. Now fi is known to you, xi is known to you. You just need to multiply and divided by total frequency. What do you say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these were the, so many students having some doubts that in class 10th we were having shortcut method, we were having step deviation method. So these are not useful for me till there. Clear? I'm just going through the basic definition ki mean kya hota tha, median kya hota tha, mode kya hota tha. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how the question came? Now question will not come like this ki 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 is given to you. You need to find the mean. Now just got the idea that what was actually mean. Mean was is equals to summation of xi divided by total number of items. Or you can say sum of items. Sum of items is equals to mean into number. Yes or no? Clear to everyone? यही मतलब हुआ बच्चों. Now the question says mean of Kedar Jadhav is 15 matches is 4. It means n is given to me 15 matches and its mean is 4. Right? Now the question arises that mean of first 3. When n1 was 3, then mean x1 was 7. N2 was 12, then mean was not known to me and I need to calculate that mean. So question is clear to everyone कि क्वेश्चन ने पूछा कि 15 मैचेस का जो मीन है वो 4 है, अगर 3 मैचेस का मीन 7 है, बाकी मैचेस का कितना होगा? तो बच्चे आपको मीन नहीं पता ना, बाकी मैचेस का 12 मैचेस का मीन नहीं पता, क्या इतनी बात क्लियर है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
तो मेरे पास एक फॉर्मूला होता है, क्या मेरे पास होता है कंबाइंड मीन. व्हाट वाज द फॉर्मूला फॉर दैट कंबाइंड मीन? मेरे पास वो फॉर्मूला है, दैट वाज कि मीन इज इक्वल्स टू n1 x1 plus n2 x2 divided by n1 plus n2. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
So when I implement this formula, according to this, total combined mean is 15, n1 is 3, first mean is 7 plus n2 is 12, second mean I need to calculate divided by 15. So this was 4 actually, right or not? So 60 is equals to 21 plus 12 into mean. So 12 mean is equals to 60 minus 21. That was equals to 39. So required mean of the rest of the batches will be 39 divided by 12. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
किसी को भी doubt है? Any confusion till there? So they can ask. No doubt. So it is clear to
No,
everyone.
ma'am.
Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो आगे बढ़े. क्या कहते हो?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है जी. तो let's get started. Now, next. What's the next? Now, question is given a mean of 9 observation. It means 100 and mean of 6 observation is 80. So mean of 15 observation. N1 is given to 9. X1 mean is given to 100, right? Then N2 is given to 6 and X2 mean is given to 80. You need to calculate X. Do you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can anyone answer? Harshil, क्या
Yes,
explain है? Harshil, what I need to explain again? About mean. Which one? Combined mean or normal mean? Combined mean or normal mean? First one. Question first one. Do you want to say question number 1? Okay. Yes, good Manat. Answer is right. So Harshil, as per the question, it was given that mean of Kedar Jadhav for 15 matches. Yani ki for 15 matches, your mean is 4. If the mean of his runs in the first 3 matches, if first 3 matches your mean is 7, and find the mean of remaining, it means question given you the total mean, combined mean, that is 4, and the total number of matches is 15. For 3 matches, mean is 7. Then I need to calculate mean for 12 matches. So I just implement this combined mean formula. Is it clear? So your doubt is clear, Harshil? Okay, thanks. So for the second question, I got the answer 92. Anyone is having doubt in this question?
No, ma'am.
So everyone is very much familiar which formula you need to apply, right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what formula do I need to apply?
Ma'am, I have applied the combined mean formula, that is x bar is equals to n1 into x bar 1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar over n1 plus n2.
That's wonderful. It means you have just implemented 9 into 100 plus 6 into 80 divided by 15. Yes, Gurmanat?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you guys tell me the calculation? It's 900 plus
480.
480 divided by 15. It means 1380 divided by 15.
15.
So this should
That is
be
equal to 92.
92.
So option A is the correct answer. Everyone agree?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See the next question. So Harin, is it clear? Avni, Harini,
Yes, ma'am.
Anurag, Harshil, clear na? Aryan, that's great. So Bhairav, can you think about the next question? Mean of 100 items is 49. It was discovered that 3 items which should have been 60, 70, 80 were wrongly read as 40, 20, 50. So the correct mean I need to calculate. Is the question is clear to you? Tanisha, question is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Who wants to try first? Ronak gave me the answer. Okay. According to Ronak, A is the answer. Yes, yes. Hurry up, hurry up. So, Ronak, what's the approach?
मैम
हिंदी भी चलेगा, हिंदी भी चलेगा रौनक.
मैम ऑप्शन एलिमिनेट करके
ओके, ऑप्शन एलिमिनेट
कि
करके.
मैम जो डेटा है वो तीनों में रिड्यूस ही हो रहा है, तो जो एवरेज मीन होगा वो 49 से तो कम ही होगा.
ओके, तो
वरना
बाई
अगर मैम दूसरे मेथड से देखे
अगर
तो
आपका डेटा रिड्यूस करके मेरा जो क्वेश्चन है, आपने शायद क्वेश्चन को गलत रीड करा. आप देखो एक बार. Dear friends, just look at the statement once again. Question said 100 items mean is 49. It means I can directly say, as I told you, that sum will be equals to mean into number. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can just write that sum is equals to 4900. Agree? So new sum should be, they said your actual values were 60, 70, 80, but someone read them as 40, 20, and 50. It means I just need to subtract minus 40, minus 20, minus 50, then add new values 60, 70 plus 80. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
It means 4900 minus 110 plus 210. So it's actually 5000, dear friends. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So it means for the mean is equals to sum, new sum divided by n. It means 5000 divided by 100. So answer should be 50.
yes मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Ronak, I guess just to, you had just
yes मैम.
wrongly interpret the statement.
yes
Opposite manner, right?
yes मैम.
Okay. So clear everyone? किसी को
Yes,
भी
ma'am.
डाउट है इस क्वेश्चन में?
No, ma'am.
सबको क्लियर है? गौरव जी, दुर्गेश जी, दिया?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
ठीक है जी. अनुराग क्लियर? समीर, तनिषा, वत्सल, वंश?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. शिवरम? The next question. It was a question in 2015. So wants to try once. एक लुक कर लीजिए ट्राई, फिर मुझे बताइए. Ronak, I guess you are just going ahead with your you can say interpretation power rather than solving. Is it so? Are you following that?
No, ma'am. Actually, I solved it.
Okay. So let's solve together. They said mean of data 16 observation and is 16. Right, everyone? Yes, students, D is the correct answer. Right, everyone? That's good, Mannat, Harini. It's right. So if 16 observation are there, 16 is the mean, then sum is equals to 256, right, Ronak? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
They said one observation whose value was 16 is deleted. It means when earlier n was 16, then if one observation is deleted, then n is 15. And sum will be look like 256 minus 16. That means 240. Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
we said three observations are added. So Dia, how many observations are there now? 18. And the sum
18.
would look like 240 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Yes, friends? It means 252 is the sum. So mean should be equals to 252 divided by 18. Yes or no? So where you have done mistake, Ronak?
Ma'am, deletion part of
Okay.
different values of n.
Okay, now it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Harini, Aditya, Gurmanat, is it clear to everyone? Tanisha, Vatsal, Vansh,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Avni, clear? Okay. So, answer should be option D. Can we go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
That's
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
let's see. The mean age of combined group of men and women is 25 years. If the mean age of group of men is 26 years, mean age of group of women is 21 years, then the percentage of men and women in the group are. So when you read this question, what do you think which formula I need to implement?
Combined mean formula.
Combined mean.
Yes, that's great. But what was the actually problem in this question? What is not given to me?
The total sum of men and women.
Yeah, or individually is also not given to me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So what I need to, any hint is given in the question? Any hint is given in the question? Yeah, Vinny, that's great. Combined formula I need to use, but number is not given to me. So any hint was already there in the question, or I need to think something? Gurmanat. Harini, Tanisha.
Ma'am, I can't see any hint.
Okay, but you guys are missing one word. One word is given to you here is percentage. It means N1 plus N2 is actually 100.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it means if one thing is N1, then other should be N 100 minus N1. So what I can
Yes.
say, I can say if 25 is equals to 26 into N1 plus 21 into 100 minus N1 divided by 100. So this solving can be done very quickly. It means 2500 is equals to 5N1 plus 2100. So it means 400 is equals to 5N1. So N1 should be 80. If N1 is 80, then N2 should be 20. Yes or no? Any doubt? Any confusion? किसी को भी दिक्कत इस प्रश्न में?
No, ma'am.
सबको क्लियर है? ठीक है. Okay. So here's the next question. Should I give you 2 minutes? Okay. Done. Done or not? Okay. Dear friends, they said mean of n items is x bar. It means if I can say x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to so on xn, so n items mean, or you can say sum is equals to n into x bar. Agree? So if first item is increased by 1, second by Harini 2, Gurmanat, and so on, it means I can rewrite it as x1 plus 1 plus x2 plus 2 plus x3 plus 3, right, Avni? And so on up to xn plus n. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you guys see, Sanurag, that x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn, their sum is equals to n into x bar plus 1, 2, 3. I told you this formula in sequence and series that will be equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Yes or no? Yes, Bachawati? So it's a sum, new sum. I need to calculate mean. So mean is equals to sum divided by number. So it means sum is n is common, x bar plus n plus 1 divided by 2 divided by n. N and n is cancelled. Your answer is x bar plus n plus 1 by 2. Is this your answer, option C?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone, any doubt in this question?
Ma'am, can you explain?
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
हाँ जी, हाँ, बिल्कुल। तनीषा एंड दिया, देखिए आपको क्या दे रखा था, आपको दे रखा था कि भाई n आइटम्स का जो मीन है वो x बार है, ठीक। तो इस क्वेश्चन को समझने के लिए मैंने इसको क्या ले लिया कि अगर n आइटम्स है तो मैंने उसको ले लिया x1 x2 x3 अप टू xn, राइट। उन
Yes.
सब का सम जो है वो n x बार है। उन्होंने कहा कि फर्स्ट आइटम में 1 बढ़ाया, सेकंड में 2 बढ़ाया, तो आपने भी सेम बढ़ाते गए। आपको दिखा कि x1 प्लस x2 प्लस x3 अप टू xn का जो सम है वो आपने n इंटू x बार निकाला था, राइट। प्लस आपको याद है हमने सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज में लास्ट डे पढ़ा था 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 3 स्पेशल सीरीज अगर n तक दिख जाए तो ये n इंटू n प्लस 1 बाई 2 के बराबर होता है।
Yes, ma'am.
हमने वही लगाया। अगर किसी को लगे कि भाई मुझे ये फॉर्मूला याद नहीं है तो एपी लगा लीजिए। क्लियर? एपी का सम लगा दीजिए।
यस मैम।
आपको नया सम मिल गया तो मीन किसके बराबर होता है? सम बाय नंबर ऑफ आइटम। आपने सम बाय नंबर ऑफ आइटम करा तो आपके पास आंसर आया x बार प्लस n प्लस 1 बाई 2, यानी कि ऑप्शन सी।
मैम,
हाँ जी।
हम जब फाइनल मीन निकालेंगे तो उसमें सम बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स होगा।
जी बिल्कुल।
तो यहाँ टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स में तो मेरा 2n होना चाहिए।
नहीं, क्यों 2n क्यों होना चाहिए?
क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए मैम? पहले तो xn टर्म्स था।
आपने क्या करा? आपने करा कि फर्स्ट आइटम में 1 जोड़ा, अगर मेरे पास पोस्ट करो पहले आइटम 2 3 4 6 8 10 ऐसे दिख रही थी तो आपने पहले में एक जोड़ा। क्लियर ना रौनक? क्वेरी इज रिजॉल्व। आपने 1 उसी नंबर में ऐड करा, आपको यहाँ पे इसलिए लग रहा है क्योंकि आपने x1 x2 लिया, लेकिन अगर वो नंबर्स होते फिर नहीं ना लगता। ठीक है, सो क्लियर टिल देयर? एनी डाउट?
नो मैम।
ठीक है, नाउ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, वो आपके पास क्या होती है? व्हेन it's a change of origin or scale. It means when you just see that in the last question, we are not talking about last. If every item is divided by some number, if every item is divided by some number, then you can say your mean will also be, new mean will be old mean divided by that same number. Clear? Agree, friends? Yes or no? I'm not getting your answers
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
right now. So it means if a number is divided, every number is divided by h, then new mean be x bar by that number. If every number is added by some number or subtracted by number, then your new mean will be x bar that number or x bar minus that number. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
In fact,
Yes, ma'am.
every item is multiplied by some number, then your new mean will be h times that mean. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
So now from that observation, if mean of a data set of number is x bar, if each number is divided by 3, then the new mean will be
Divided by 3.
X by 3.
D option.
D, right? If I
D.
change this question as if each number is multiplied by 3, then new mean will be
3x bar.
3x bar.
each number is added by 3, then
X bar
Bar
plus 3.
plus
B
x bar
option.
plus 3.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this relation is clear to everyone. Any doubt till there? Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are going ahead with the median, right? So mean is clear to everyone.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So remember, when you're talking about median, you need to first rearrange the data in ascending or descending order.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So it means whenever data is given to you, you first rearrange the data in ascending or descending order. If the number of items in the data is odd, then the middle term will be the median. If the number of data is even, then median will be the mean of middle two values. It means, for example, you are having 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. If the number of items is odd, then the median will be this number,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
right? If you are having 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, right? Now number of items is odd. It means median will be mean of these two items. That means 3 plus 5 divided by 2. So median will be 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
So can you calculate median for this question?
Ma'am, can you please repeat? Actually, there was a network issue.
दिया, आपको क्या करना है जब भी मीडियन कैलकुलेट करना है और आपको ऐसा रो डाटा दे रखा है, सिर्फ आइटम्स दे रखे हैं, आपको अपने डाटा को सबसे पहले असेंडिंग या डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में रीअरेंज करना है.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, उसके बाद अगर आपका नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स ऑड है तो मिडिल टर्म आ जाएगी मीडियन. अगर इवन है तो मिडिल की 2 टर्म्स का मीन ले लीजिए, वो आपका मीडियन होगा.
Okay, ma'am.
सबसे पहले इस डाटा को रीअरेंज करिए असेंडिंग चाहे डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. फिर इसमें देखिए नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स ऑड है या इवन है. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, 2 मिनट लीजिए और करिए. फिर Okay, Ronak, that's great. Correct answer आपका. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's the answer?
Option A.
Correct. So everyone got option A. Anyone is having any doubt? So what should be the approach? Firstly, rearrange. So how to rearrange 54, then 59, then
64,
64, then
67,
okay,
70,
70,
okay,
72,
72,
okay,
70,
73,
okay,
78,
78,
okay.
83,
83.
and 90,
ठीक है. How many total terms are there? N कितना है?
10.
10.
10. So I can just give 4 from starting, 4 from beginning. It means 2 terms are there in the middle. So 70 plus 72 divided by 2. So 71 is the correct answer, bacha party.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. So if you are having discrete series, in the same way you are having xi and fi, right? Right or not? Then how do you need to solve? You first need to find the cumulative frequency, remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Then we see the observation from the cumulative frequency. If the whose cumulative frequency is equal to or just greater than n by 2, that will be, you can say, the median. Or either we just need not to follow this. We will follow this formula, remember? N by 2 minus Cf divided by f into h plus L.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So see, for this question, how? Firstly, I need to find xi.
Yes, ma'am.
Xi need to find or not for this question? No, actually, no need to find. So I
Ma'am,
need
but why not?
cumulative frequency because for the formula I don't know need any xi, na?
Okay, okay. Yes, ma'am.
I just need to find cumulative frequency. So 22, 22 plus 38 will be 60. 60 plus 46 is 106. Then 141. Then 161. Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So capital N is 161. So capital N by 2 is 161 by 2. That means 80.5, right? So you just need to check where actually this N by 2 lies, right? Actually. So it will lie in this. So this will be your median class. So here it is your median class. It means my answer will lie in 20 to 30. So if answer will lie in 20 to 30, so directly from the option, you can say option A will be the correct answer,
Yes, ma'am.
right? But if you want to implement the formula, so L will be 20, H is 10. Frequency corresponding to this is actually F is 46 and cumulative frequency is just the last total. It means 60. Clear? So formula is for the median will be, yes friends, L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
L is 20 plus 80.5 minus 60 divided by 46 into 10. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this can be solved, right? Any doubt till there?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So for this question, mean is given to you, median is given to you. You just need to, it's a, remember it's a very important question from your which part? It's an important question from your class 10th, missing frequency. So you just need to calculate actually A and B. Then as per the JEE, it was a question in 2021 by JEE, right? It's a recent question only. So you just need to find A minus B's whole square. It was a question in integer type, right? Should I give you time to solve this question? क्या कहते हो, टाइम दे दूं सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Yes, friends, done. Got the answer? आंसर आया बच्चा पार्टी?
No, ma'am.
हाँ बिल्कुल दुर्गेश, बिल्कुल करेक्ट आंसर है बच्चे आपका. जाने के आपका करेक्ट आंसर 4 आ जाएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. क्या कहते हो, डिफिकल्टी फेस हो रही है किसी को? सो वेरी फर्स्ट आपने क्या करा होगा, आपने एक्सआई निकाला होगा. चाहिए मुझे 3 आएगा, 9 आएगा, फिर 15 आ जाएगा, 21 आ जाएगा, एंड देन सो ऑन 27 आ जाएगा. एग्री?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. तो अगर मीन की बात करेंगे तो आप बोलोगे 3a प्लस 9b प्लस 15 इंटू 12, 180. 21 इंटू 9, 180. 27 into 5
135.
divided by total number of items. That means A plus B plus 26. That
26.
equals to 309 divided by 2. यहाँ से आपके पास एक इक्वेशन बनेगी A and B में. One equation will be there in A and B.
Yes,
Similarly,
ma'am.
median is given to 14. It means my median class is 12 to 18. Right? So L is 12, H is 6, frequency is 12, right? Cumulative frequency is actually A plus B and capital N. If I go ahead, then I just got the A plus B plus 26. It means 26 plus A plus B divided by 2. Agree, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So it means 14 is equals to 12 plus 26 plus A plus B divided by 2 minus cumulative frequency A plus B divided by 12 into 6. You just need to solve this part. Clear, everyone? From here again you get an equation in A and B. I just go through, solve these two equations and get the A and B just like this. In the first you got the 81A is 37B is equals to 1018. Then you got A plus B is equals to 18. Right, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So 81A plus 37B is equals to 1018. Then 37A plus 37B is equals to, just multiply 18 and 37. What should be? कितना आएगा बच्चों? Then subtract these parts. This will be cancelled. So you just got
6.
कितना आया?
666.
Okay. So subtract these two things. Yes. Is it so? So A must be 3522 divided by 44, 11 for the 44, 11, 3, 2, 4, 8. So A is 8. If A is 8, then B is 10. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Yes, clear to everyone? So this was a question asked in 2021. It was a quite easy question, only a little bit calculation required. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we are on the last part, that is mode. So mean and median is known to us how to calculate. Mode was quite easy. How to calculate mode? Yes, how to calculate mode? The value that is going to repeated maximum number of time in the whole observation, that is actually the mode. जो वैल्यू आपके उसमें सबसे ज्यादा रिपीट होती है उसी को मोड कहा जाता है.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
सबको पता
Yes,
है
ma'am.
मोड किसको कहते हैं? तो वन मेथड तो ये होता है कि आप अपने एक डाटा में चेक करोगे. सपोज आपके पास डाटा है 1 2 2 5 6 8 8 8 9 8 7. So what should be the mode in these data?
8.
8.
8.
क्लियर? और दूसरा मेथड मेरे पास होता है फॉर्मूला बेस्ड. वो क्या होता है? दैट इज मोड इज इक्वल्स टू L प्लस F1 minus F naught divided by 2F1 minus F naught minus F2 into H. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So before moving ahead, then we are having a relationship between mean, mode, and median. Remember? 3 median is equals to mode plus 2 mean. Remember? याद आया?
Yes, ma'am.
So if in a distribution mean is given to you 5 or median is given to you 6, can you calculate mode for this data set?
8, ma'am.
So 8 is the correct answer, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Because formula was 3 median. That means 18 is equals to 2 mean 10 plus mode, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Mode is equals to 8. Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are having 3 questions for your practice only. Let's work upon this question. Rest 2 you can do in the homework. Clear? Solve this question for me. Hurry up. It's a question from your class 10th only. Can we work upon one thing? A mean is known how to solve, right? Can we calculate mode? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what should be the mode? How to calculate mode? So I need to just go through very first that which data set is going most repeated of time. That means 10. So this is going to be my model class. हाँ जी बच्चों यही मॉडल क्लास होगी जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है सबने यही पढ़ा है ना. अब इसको अगर आपने F1 दे दिया इसके ऊपर वाली F नोट होगी इसके बाद वाली F2 होगी.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So L is 30, H is 5. So what was the formula? 30 plus F1 minus F naught, 10 minus 9 divided by 2 times F1, that means 20, minus F naught minus F2 into H, right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
30 plus 5 by 8. So 30 plus 6.2. So answer is 36.2, dear Bacha Party. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. So these questions, 2 questions are assigning you as a homework. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the next lecture, what we will do the measures of dispersion. It means the actual part. You guys already done that mean deviation in your school level. Mean deviation, right? Standard deviation. So we will work on these 2 things. Clear? So what's the homework? There is no hard and fast questions are given to you as a homework. You have to just go through the basics of your NCRT for these only mean, median, and mode. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
right, everyone? So just go through all the basics of statistics so that we can just have a look on the part what is mean deviation, what is standard deviation, what are the actually measures of dispersion in the next class. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
और एक बार
Yes,
अपने
ma'am.
वंस गो थ्रू टेस्ट ऑल्सो जो आपका टेस्ट हुआ था देखो अगर किसी का उसमें कोई भी डाउट होगा तो मस्ट ब्रिंग दैट एयर और आइदर शेयर दैट आउट ऑन द व्हाट्सएप. क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सो अगर किसी को कोई भी डाउट है क्वेरी है दे कैन आस्क.